Did you know that once we pass the age of 50, our body starts quietly stepping away from the muscles we worked so hard to build? One day you might glance in the mirror and feel like your strength has faded without warning. It sounds a bit sad, right? But you're not the only one going through this. Health specialist Frank Suarez once explained that muscle loss happens gradually as we age and often without us noticing at first. The good news? It's not a life sentence. Research from the American Society of Geriatrics and Gerontology shows that nearly 1 out of 3 people over 60 experience muscle decline, a condition known as sarcopenia, which affects both muscle size and strength. Yes, it's alarming, but here's the hope: it can be reversed. And here's something most people don't know: you can kickstart that change in just 7 days. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. By adding a few powerful foods to your daily meals, your muscles can come back to life like they've been recharged after a long rest. Imagine walking upstairs with ease again or lifting things without asking your grandkids for help, all this by simply choosing the right foods, ones that Frank Suarez often mentioned in his wellness research. You might even start noticing changes in just 1 week. So if you're ready to rebuild your strength, keep watching. I'm about to reveal 6 foods that are not only tasty but are also your best allies in fighting age-related weakness, because your age should never define how strong you feel. Before we begin, drop a comment telling us where you saw this video and how old you are. Your feedback motivates us 10 times more to keep making valuable nutrition content. Now let's dive in. Number 1, cherry juice. As we cross into our 50s, muscle strength begins to decline naturally, a process that can feel discouraging over time. But did you know that something as simple and delicious as cherry juice can be a powerful ally in slowing this process down? This vibrant red drink isn't just refreshing, it's packed with anthocyanins, which are powerful plant-based compounds known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help combat the wear and tear that aging can have on our muscles, offering real science-backed benefits. Research has shown that anthocyanins don't just guard against muscular degeneration, they also help ease muscle soreness and support faster recovery, especially after light physical activity. That's a huge benefit for anyone dealing with fatigue or stiffness after simple tasks like gardening or going for a walk. One compelling study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found that individuals who consumed cherry juice regularly regained their muscle performance 24% faster than those who didn't, proving it's more than just a wellness trend. Even more encouraging is the finding that cherry juice may actively boost muscle strength in older adults, making common daily activities like lifting shopping bags, walking longer distances, or climbing a flight of stairs noticeably easier over time. What many people don't realize is that cherries also contain melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate your sleep cycle. Drinking a glass of cherry juice before bed doesn't just help you unwind and rest better, it also supports deeper muscle repair while you sleep. And let's not overlook the importance of quality sleep. It's one of the most overlooked yet vital aspects of muscle health, especially as we age. Poor sleep limits your body's ability to heal and rebuild muscle tissue effectively. By incorporating just 1 glass of cherry juice about 30 minutes before bedtime, you can potentially wake up with less stiffness, better energy, and more comfort in your joints and muscles. So if your goal is to maintain or even regain muscle strength after 50, while also supporting your joints and improving recovery, adding cherry juice to your routine is a smart, natural solution. It's simple, effective, and backed by science. And if you're curious to discover another food that's equally beneficial or maybe even more powerful when it comes to protecting and rebuilding muscle, then stay with us. The next one might truly surprise you. Let's keep going. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Not only is Greek yogurt tasty and satisfying, but it's also a muscle-up supporting powerhouse, especially for those in their 50s and beyond who are working to preserve or rebuild strength. What sets Greek yogurt apart from regular yogurt is its higher protein content. In fact, Greek yogurt provides nearly twice the protein of standard yogurt, delivering approximately 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein per serving. This makes it an exceptional option for anyone focused on maintaining or improving muscle mass as they age. The type of protein in Greek yogurt also matters. It's rich in casein protein, which digests slowly, offering a steady release of amino acids to your muscles over several hours. This is particularly helpful during longer periods between meals or overnight when your body continues to repair and restore itself. For adults over 50, evenly distributing protein intake throughout the day is critical to preventing age-related muscle decline, and Greek yogurt fits perfectly into that strategy. There's solid science behind this. A study conducted by the University of California revealed that seniors who regularly incorporated Greek yogurt into their diets experienced up to a 15% increase in muscle strength within just 8 weeks. That's a powerful improvement from such a simple dietary change. Plus, Greek yogurt brings more than muscle support. It's also great for your gut, thanks to its high content of probiotics. The beneficial bacteria in Greek yogurt help balance your digestive system and enhance nutrient absorption, which is especially important as digestion tends to slow with age. Looking to boost its benefits even more? Try adding a tablespoon of chia seeds or a handful of antioxidant-rich fruits like blueberries or raspberries. This combo increases fiber intake, adds a dose of anti-inflammatory antioxidants, and transforms your snack into a nutrient-dense, energy-boosting mini-meal. Whether enjoyed as a nutritious breakfast, a midday pick-me-up, or even an evening snack, Greek yogurt is a simple yet powerful way to fuel your body and support long-term muscle and digestive health. If you're serious about staying strong, active, and energized as you age, Greek yogurt deserves a regular place in your diet. And if you're excited to learn about another common food that can deliver just as much strength-building potential, possibly with even more added perks, then keep watching. What's coming next might just surprise you and become your new go-to. Number 3. Starchy vegetables. As we grow older, the body's natural ability to maintain steady energy levels begins to decline. This can make it increasingly difficult to support muscle function, endurance, and recovery. That's where starchy vegetables come in. They're not just comforting and delicious, they're a nutritional powerhouse for sustaining both strength and stamina in adults over 50. Vegetables like sweet potatoes, pumpkins, and regular potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals. This combination delivers a slow, consistent release of energy, helping you avoid those frustrating energy dips and crashes that can leave you feeling drained and weak. This sustained energy is crucial for aging muscles, which require a steady fuel source to function efficiently throughout the day. According to a report from Harvard Medical School, individuals who regularly consume starchy vegetables tend to experience less muscle decline as they age. That's because these foods help regulate metabolic function, support muscle recovery, and assist in cell repair and growth, all while keeping blood sugar stable. As our energy reserves and natural recovery speeds slow down with time, including these vegetables in your meals becomes more and more important. There's even more to love about starchy vegetables. They're not just good for your muscles, they also promote heart health, digestive wellness, and overall vitality. These veggies contain nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, which work together to reduce inflammation and enhance cellular performance. A simple, tasty way to include them? Try roasting sweet potato wedges with a splash of olive oil and a pinch of sea salt. This method locks in flavor while maximizing nutrient absorption. Plus, it's an easy side dish that pairs well with nearly any meal. Want a tip to make your meals even more effective for muscle preservation? Start swapping out refined carbs like white rice, bread, or pasta with these nutrient-dense vegetables. The difference in how you feel, both in terms of energy and muscle strength, can be noticeable in just a matter of days. These aren't just filler foods, they're a secret weapon in the fight against age-related muscle loss. So if you're looking for a natural, satisfying way to power your body and preserve your strength, starchy vegetables deserve a permanent place on your plate. And if you're curious about another everyday food that can support similar benefits and maybe even speed up recovery, stick with me. You're about to discover one more muscle-boosting favorite that's just as easy to enjoy. Number 4, scallops. Scallops are more than just a tasty treat from the sea, they're a muscle-nourishing powerhouse, especially beneficial as we grow older. As we age, preserving muscle strength, mobility, and overall function becomes a real challenge, and that's where scallops shine. These tender shellfish are packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, a combination that supports the very systems your body relies on for muscle recovery, tissue repair, and inflammation control. Every bite delivers essential building blocks that help regenerate muscle fibers and reduce post-activity stiffness, making them ideal for adults aiming to stay active and strong. What sets scallops apart is how efficiently they provide these benefits. The lean protein found in scallops is easily absorbed and utilized by the body, promoting quicker healing and helping to counteract the muscle breakdown that often accelerates with age. Meanwhile, the omega-3 fatty acids go to work calming inflammation and protecting muscle tissue. According to a study from Spain's Institute of Nutrition, older adults who consistently include omega-3 rich foods like scallops in their diets retain up to 12% more muscle mass than those who don't, an impressive difference that can impact everything from posture to walking speed. This matters deeply because muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, affects both strength and independence. Omega-3s are key players in preventing this decline. They help maintain joint flexibility, muscle tone, and even support cardiovascular health, all of which are essential for staying active later in life. By simply eating scallops once or twice a week, you can help reinforce your body's defenses against these age-related challenges. Need a simple, delicious way to prepare them? Try pan-searing scallops in a bit of olive oil with a sprinkle of garlic and lemon juice. This not only enhances the taste but also boosts nutrient absorption, particularly of those heart-friendly omega-3s. It's a flavorful way to support both muscle integrity and heart health at the same time. Serve them with a side of leafy greens or roasted vegetables for a balanced, rejuvenating meal. Scallops are a smart, satisfying choice for anyone looking to stay strong, flexible, and energized as they age. Their impact on muscle maintenance, recovery speed, and even long-term mobility makes them a top food for anyone over 50 who's serious about health. And if you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more ways to nourish your strength naturally. We're committed to bringing you practical, science-backed advice to help you thrive, so stay tuned because the next food on this list might surprise you. Buckwheat. You might be surprised to learn that a tiny, often overlooked grain like buckwheat can play a significant role in preserving muscle strength as we age. While it might not be the first food that comes to mind when thinking about muscle health, buckwheat is actually a nutritional powerhouse that supports your body's function well into your 50s and beyond. One of the standout qualities of buckwheat is its ability to provide complete proteins, those that contain all the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and strengthen muscle tissue effectively. Unlike many other plant-based protein sources, buckwheat offers everything your muscles need to stay strong, making it an excellent choice for maintaining muscular health as you age. Additionally, buckwheat is an incredible energy source. Unlike refined carbohydrates that often lead to energy spikes and crashes, buckwheat provides a steady, sustained release of energy, which helps you stay active and energized throughout the day without those frustrating sugar crashes. This type of energy is especially important for older adults, as maintaining stamina can become more challenging with age. Buckwheat also contains vital minerals like magnesium and zinc, which are essential for muscle recovery and maintaining muscle function. Magnesium is known for its ability to help with muscle relaxation and repair, while zinc plays a role in supporting the immune system and promoting muscle growth. Together, these minerals enhance your body's ability to recover from physical exertion and keep your muscles performing at their best. Incorporating buckwheat into your diet can be especially beneficial for balancing blood sugar levels, an important factor in maintaining energy and muscle function as you get older. Stable blood sugar levels are crucial for sustained physical activity, as fluctuations in blood sugar can lead to tiredness and poor performance during exercise or daily activities. According to a Harvard Medical School study, older adults who regularly include buckwheat in their diets experience up to an 18% increase in muscle strength over a period of just 3 months. This is a notable improvement considering that maintaining muscle mass and strength becomes more difficult as we age. Beyond its impact on muscle health, buckwheat has the added benefit of reducing inflammation and helping protect against age-related deterioration, which is common as our bodies naturally begin to break down muscle tissue and function less efficiently. By incorporating buckwheat into your meals, you're also supporting overall health and well-being as you age, giving your body the tools it needs to stay strong and resilient for years to come. A simple and delicious way to include buckwheat in your diet is by swapping out your regular rice or pasta for buckwheat, or you can even use it in salads for a hearty, nutritious meal. This small but impactful change could help you improve your muscle strength and energy levels while also protecting against the effects of aging on your body. If you're serious about strengthening your muscles and boosting your overall health, incorporating buckwheat is a simple yet effective step to take. And if you found this advice helpful, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Spreading the word could have a significant impact on their health as well. Stay tuned because what's coming next might surprise you with how easy it is to support your muscles and well-being at any age. Let's take control of our health by keeping our muscles strong and our bodies active, no matter our age. Maintaining muscle mass is not just about looking fit, it's about having the energy, flexibility, and independence to enjoy life to the fullest. The foods we've discussed are natural tools that help nourish your muscles, improve recovery, and fuel your body each day. Don't wait to make a change. Start adding these simple yet powerful options to your daily routine now, and you'll feel the difference in your strength, stamina, and overall vitality. If this content helped you, don't forget to give it a like, share it with others, and hit subscribe so you never miss a valuable health tip. Comment below with the number 1 if you're committed to protecting your muscles and living a stronger life.